and today we're gonna make this wooden cutting board with polymer clay. But before you move your finger to some clay, please move your finger to the subscribe button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you know when my next video is live. I like to use Fimo Professional because it is more durable and less sticky than Fimo Soft. Roll it out to a thickness of about 3 mm. Place it on a flat surface that is oven-proof. Cut a square like this, and then take a hard bristle toothbrush. Gently glide it over the board. The bristles leave a wood-like texture. Don't forget the sides of the board. I like to sculpt small fractures with a needle tool to make the cutting board look old. But that's a matter of taste, and it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. This is a small circle cutter that you can buy on Etsy. Here I am using ochre-colored soft pastel from the brand Schmincke. It makes the piece look like wood, and it also brings out the texture. The brush I am using here is an eyeshadow brush. I also use a dark brown pastel, but this time I only limit it to the edges. Bake it for 30 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius. After baking, I use a black wash paint. Washes flow into the cracks, and when you clean it with a paper towel, the color will flow off the higher surfaces and stay in the cracks, which emphasizes the wood effect even more. It also darkens the kitchen board a bit, which I find quite nice. Repeat this step 3 times. Let the paint dry for 24 hours and then seal it with a matte varnish. And this is the result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to give a thumbs up and also leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from everybody. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. I want to thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.